Hello to everyone. Today we are going to study algebra and trigonometry. And that is a name of module. We are going to start from learning outcome number 1. Solve algebraically or graphically linear and quadratic equations and inequalities. The topic is solve qualities. The topic is solve linear equation. Let us start from what is a linear equation. A linear equation is a mathematical equation which is which is composed by or have the general formula of y, which is equal to a plus ax plus b, where a is different from 0 and a, b are in the set of real numbers. Also, we can have a plus ax plus b, which is equal to 0. Also, this is a linear equation. Or we can have ax plus b, which is equal to c. Those are the general equation of linear equation. So let us take an example in order to understand well what is a linear equation. Examples. Number 1. Example number 1 is 4x plus 5m, which is equal to 0. This is the first example. The second one, we can have y, which is equal to 4x plus 7. And then, for example, number 3, we can have 3 over 2 x minus 5, which is equal to, for example, which is equal to 10. Those are the 3 examples of linear equation. At this first example, a is equal to 4, b is equal to 5, then c here, which is equal to y, is equal to 0. Here we have a, which is equal to 4 also, b is equal to 7. Then at this third example, 3 over 2 is equal to a, then b is equal to -5. Okay, we have seen that, as we said in the general equation of linear equation, a is different from 0 and a, b or c are including in a set of real number. You have seen this 4, 5, 4, 7, 3 over 2, -5. All those numbers are including in a set of real numbers. So let us see how to solve and what is solving. When we say a solve linear equation, the question is to find the value of x in that equation. So we have the method used to find the value of x, or found the value of variables, or value of unknown. Those methods are used in to solve is used to find the value of x. Let us start from the method number 1. The first method, which is the algebraic method. Let us take examples. Example number 1 can have, let us take this one. We have 3 over 2 x minus 5, which is equal to 10. We are going to find the value of x. What is the value of x in this equation by using algebraic method? Now, first of all, we take this negative 5 at the right side of equal sign. When this negative 5 it goes to to right side of equal sign, this negative sign becomes a positive sign, and we get 3 over 2 x, which is equal to 10 plus 5. Then you have 3 over 2 x, which is equal to 15. After making this one, we are going to make a cross multiplication. Here we have 1 multiplying by 3 and 2 multiplying by 15. Then here we have 3x, because 1 times 3 is equal to 1, equal to 30, because 2 times 15 is equal to 30. Then x is equal to 30 over 3. 30 over 3. Then value of x here is equal to value of x here is equal to 30 over 3 is equal to 10. That is the value of x. Okay, this is the first example. The second example, here we can have, for example, we can have 4 over 7x. Let us take minus 4 over 7x plus 3 which is equal to for example, for example 5. Yes, we are going to determine the value of x here. This is example number 2. Then to determine the value for x, we take this positive 3 at the left side, at the right side of equal sign. This positive becomes a negative. Then we have negative 4x over 7, which is equal to 5 negative 3. Then we have negative 4x over 7, which is equal to 2. Then we have, to get the value of x here, we have 1. We are going to make a cross multiplication. This 1 multiplying by 4x, the 7 multiplying by 2. Here we have negative 4x, which is equal to 14. Then the value of x is equal to 14 over negative 4. Negative 4. So we are going to simplify by 2. Then x is equal to, simplify by 2. Here is remaining 7. Here remaining 2. Then x is equal to negative 7 over 2. That is how to solve a linear equation by using algebraic methods. So let us have, for example, 3x, for example, plus 2, which is equal to 11. That is an example. To solve this one, as we perform it usual, we take this positive 2 at the right side of equal sign. Then we have 3x, which is equal to 11 minus 2. Then 3x is equal to 9. Then x is equal to 9 over 3. The value of x here is equal to 3. That is how to solve a linear equation by using algebraic method. So let us give you some exercises and perform it yourself. If you have any question about solving linear equation, you can write it in a comment. I will replay you when I come back and answer your questions. So exercises, try it yourselves and solve linear equations by algebraic methods. Algebraic methods. These are the 4 exercises I ask you to solve it by algebraic method. Try it yourselves and you found an answer. So let us help you at the for example for the question. To solve for the question here for the question, which is negative 4x negative 8, which is equal to negative 20. Here we have negative 4. We take this negative 8 at the right side of equal sign. We have is equal to negative 20 plus 8. Then we have 4x negative is equal to negative 20 plus 8 is equal to negative 12. So x is equal to negative 12 over negative 4. Then this negative and this one is simplified. Then here we have a value of x which is equal to 3. So perform those 3 examples, those 3 exercises, first, second, and fourth, found an answer. And if you have any question, write it in the comment. So let us move on in the second methods of solving linear equation. The second method of solving linear equation is a graphic method. Graphic method. Graphic method. Let us take an example. We have 4x minus 7, which is equal to, let us take which is equal to 9, for example. Okay, let us come back. We have seen that the general equation of linear equation is equal to y, which is equal to a x plus b. And we have seen that a and b must be in the set of real number. Let us take an example. Let us see found a and b in this example. We make a comparison of this equation and this one. Here, a, you have seen that a here is equal to 4. Then b here is equal to negative 7. Then y is equal to 9. Okay. So we can write our function 4x minus 7, which is equal to y, because y is equal to 9. No problem. In order to solve this function by graphically, is required to take or to suppose the coordinate or point of x and y. We found the table of coordinate or table of point. Put it on a Cartesian plan. Then this is a values of x, this is a values of y. Then we rate when x is equal to for example, is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0, we are going to determine the value of y. When x is equal to 0, we have 4. We replace 0 in the x. We have 4 times 0 minus 7, which is equal to y. Then here 0 times 4 is equal to 0, means that y is equal to negative 7. Here y is equal to negative 7, and let us x equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, when x is equal to 1, y 4 times 1 minus 7 is equal to y. Here 4 times 1 is equal to 4, 4 minus 7 is equal to negative 3. Y here is equal to negative 3. Then here y is equal to negative 3. Then let us put it to 2. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 4 times 2 minus 7. This is equal to 2 times 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. When x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1. Let us continue. Let us see when x is equal to 3. When x is equal to 3, here we have y, which is equal to 4 times 3 minus 7. This is equal to 4 times 3 is equal to 12. 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Then let us put a negative 1. When x is equal to negative 1, y is equal to 4 times negative 1 minus 7. This is equal to, for negative 1 times 4 is equal to negative 4. Then negative 7 is equal to negative 11. Negative 11. Negative 11. Y is equal to here negative 11. Then let us see when x is equal to, for example, is equal to 5. When x is equal to 5, y is equal to 5 times 4. No, yeah, 4 times 5. 4 times 5 minus 7. Y is equal to 20 minus 7 is equal to 13. Okay, let us put the last point, 4, number 4. Replace number 4. Here, this is 13. When x is equal to 4, y is equal to 4 times 4 minus 7. This is equal to y is equal to 16 minus 7. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. This is 9. So let us draw our Cartesian plan and completing this coordinate, this point, and found if we get a straight line. In the definition of linear equation, as the name is indicating, a linear equation is equation when you plot it on a Cartesian plan, it gives a straight line. So let us plot this point and see how to determine a solution on a graphic methods. We are going to plot our point on this Cartesian plan, which is composed by y-axis and composed by x-axis. And we have the laws followed to draw a Cartesian plan. The first law is when you take a range of numbers, it can be, those range are equal to all numbers. For example, let us here take a range of 2. This is 2. This is 4. The distance between from 0 to 2 must be the same as from 2 up to 4. This is the range. This is the first law. Here we have number 6. Here we have number 8. This is 10. This is 12. 12 and this is 14. Okay, at x-axis, here we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Let us stop by here. This is a positive side of x-axis. This is a positive side of y-axis. Let us go any negative side of those axes. Here we have negative 2. This is negative 4. This is negative 6. This is negative 8. And here we have, for example, negative 10. And we have a negative side of y-axis, here we have -2, and here we have -4, and you have -6, and -8, -10, yes, -10. Then here you have -12, and you have -14. So you have seen that this range at the x and at y axis must be the range at all y axis must be the same, and the range of x axis must be also the same. Note that we can have the range at the x-axis which is different from the range of y-axis. For example, here we can take a range of 2, while on x-axis we can take a range of 1, no problem. But here we are taking the same range at x and at y-axis. So let us put those our coordinate on our Cartesian plan. The first point is 0 for x and -7 for y. 0 for x, 0 is this one. Then we are going to search a -7 where what is a -7? -7 is at y-axis, is at this location. So our point is located here. That is why here we have 0 and -7. You remember to flow order of point. The first number is x-axis, the second one is for y-axis. So let us move on the second point. We have 1 for x-axis and we have -3 for y-axis. 1 for x-axis, 1 is located here. Then we are going to search -3 at y-axis. -3 at y-axis is located here. Okay, the letters found the point. One is, you have seen, one is meet free at this point. Okay, let us continue. We are going to put 2. We are going to put 2 and 1. 2 of x-axis and 1 at y-axis. 2 at x-axis. This 2 is for x-axis. Then this 1 is for y-axis. Y-axis is this one. X-axis is this one. So 2 and -1. 1 is located here. Then let us find a point. Point is, you have seen, is this location. Okay, let us continue with the fourth point. We have 3 for x-axis and we have 5 for y-axis. 3 for x-axis, 3 is here. Then we are going to determine the value of where is a 5. 5 at y-axis. 5 is located here, and let us search a point. 3 and 5 is at this point. Okay, this point is, we have seen, is 1 in -3, and this point is, we have seen, is 2 and 1, and this point is 3 and 5, and we are going to find -1 and -11. -1 is at this one. Then let us find the value of -11 at the y-axis. -11 is located here. Then let us find the point. The point is from 1 up to -11. The point is located here. Let us continue. Let us continue our graph. We have the point, another point, 5 and 13. 5 for x-axis and 13 to y-axis. 5 for x-axis is located here. Then we are going to determine the value of, we are going to determine the point when y is equal to 13. 13 is this one. Then let us search a point. The point 5 is here. Then point is located here. This point is 5 and 4 and 14. And we are going to determine the value. The second, the last point is 4 and 9. 9 is located here. 9 is located here. Then we are going to plot this point 4 and 9. 4 and 9 are is at this point. Okay, this is our graph. Let us join our line. Let us join these points and then see it gives a straight line. This is a straight line. Wow, you have seen that this our graph gives a straight line. You have seen this line. This is a line of y, which is equal to 4x minus 7. And then let us see how to determine an answer, how to determine the value of x. We start from 4x minus 7, which is equal to 9. We are going to see what is the value of x when y is equal to 9. Yes, the value of x when y is equal to 9. Here we have, this is a 9. Let us found the value of x at this point. We take this one, this point, this 9 attach on line, this point. Then we found the where, what is the a value of x. Oh, we have seen the value of x is equal to 4. Means that when y is equal to 9, x is equal to 4. Solution is equal to x is equal to 4. So by using graphically or using algebraic method, both gives the same answer. Let us verify our solution. Okay, let us solve this equation by using algebraic methods. We have 4x minus 7, which is equal to 9. Then we take this negative 7 at the right side of equal sign. Then we have 4x, which is equal to 9 plus 7. Then 4x is equal to 9 plus 7 is equal to 16. Then x is equal to 16 over 4. Then x is equal to 4. You have seen that both method gives the same answer. So let us stop by here our session, but before we leave, let us make a summary of the topic we covered. Today we have discussed about the definition. What is the definition of linear equation? We have seen a linear equation is an equation gives a straight line when you plot it on a Cartesian plan. You have seen it on this graph. The second, we have seen that a linear equation is equation which have a general equation of y, which is equal to ax plus b, y and a is different from 0, while a and b are in the set of real number. And we have seen the method used to solve a linear equation. We have seen the two methods. The first one is algebraic methods. The second one is graphic methods. And we have seen how it works. So and I give you some exercises. Let us put another one by using a graph as the last exercise is for for graphic methods. By using a graph, solve by graphically solve solve 3x minus 5, which is got to 4. Found this by graphically. So thank you very much for your kind attention and flow attentively. Let us stop by here. Join and subscribe this YouTube channel, mathematics, physics, and electricity teachings. Then we will see at the next session. Thank you very much. Stay safe and calm.